In today's video, we are going to cover how to record sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. Start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard and open the Creation menu by clicking the plus icon labeled New. From the list of transaction types, select Sales Receipt. This opens the sales receipt form where you will enter the details for a payment that was received at the time of the sale. At the top of the form, choose the customer for this transaction. If you already have the customer in your records, select that name from the list, then enter the sales receipt date. Make sure the date matches when the transaction actually took place, since that affects how the receipt appears in your books and reports. Next, move to the payment section. Select the payment method that matches how the customer paid, such as cash, card, or another option available in your account. After that, choose the Deposit to account. This is the account where QuickBooks will place the funds from the receipt, so it is worth pausing for a moment to confirm that the destination account is the one you want to use before continuing. Once those fields are complete, add the products or services included in the sale. In the line item area, select each product or service from your list, then enter the quantity and the rate for each one. As you fill in the lines, QuickBooks updates the amounts based on what you enter. If the sale includes more than one item, continue entering each one on its own line so the receipt reflects the full transaction clearly. If any of the items are taxable, check the tax box for those specific line items. Then select the appropriate sales tax rate, if applicable. This step matters because QuickBooks uses those settings to calculate the tax amount on the receipt. If an item should not be taxed, leave the tax box unchecked for that line. Before saving, review the total shown on the form. Look over the customer, date, payment method, deposit account, item details, quantities, rates, and any tax settings to make sure the receipt matches the sale you are recording. A quick review at this point helps prevent the need to reopen and edit the transaction later. When everything looks correct, click Record if you want to save the sales receipt and stay on the page, or click Record and Close if you want to save it and return to your previous screen. Both options save the transaction, so the one you choose depends on what you want to do next inside QuickBooks Online. The sales receipt is now recorded in QuickBooks Online with the customer, payment, items, and tax details saved.